Hey everyone, welcome to Gaming Explained. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how to create team on Royal Match. So let's get started. Begin by launching your Royal Match game. Then tap on the team icon which is right next to home icon. Now tap on the create button. Now create a team logo by clicking choose button. Now enter team name. Add description. Then select team type. Then choose required level to join the team. You need to reach level 50 to increase required level limits. Once you are done, tap on the create button. To create a team, you have to spend 100 coins. If you are sure, tap on it. And this is how you can create team on Royal Match. Thanks for watching Gaming Explained. If you like this video, hit the like button and drop a comment with any questions or feedback. If you are new, subscribe and click the bell icon to stay updated on the future videos.